For exercise P2-4, again, we're using the standard millimeter IPT. And the first thing that I'm going to be doing here is drawing a rectangle. Now, for this particular exercise, there are many approaches to actually getting this one complete and correct. So, if this isn't the way that you choose to do it, you can use whichever method best suits you. What I've got right here is I've got the overall rectangle that defines the actual part. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and finish this sketch, and I'm going to extrude this the thickness of 2, which it calls for. And now I'll say OK. Now I want to go ahead and put in the interior detail. So I can come up here and I can click Create 2D Sketch, or I can click on the face and then just use this button right here, which is Create Sketch. Now the first thing that I want to do is I want to use the offset command, and I'm going to offset this outer border in and give that a dimension of 10 between the two. What that's going to do is automatically lock me in to exactly what I'm looking for. Now the approach that I can take for the rest of this, I can either go ahead and draw the lines, or I can draw a rectangle representing what one of these tabs is going to be. So there's my rectangle, and I'm going to set an equal constraint on the sides of it because these are equal, and then I can give it a distance of 20. And from the edge it is also 20, so from here to here we will say 20. Now rather than drawing that several more times, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a rectangular pattern, and I want to pattern all of the geometry associated with that. Direction 1 is going to be based off of this line, and if I look right here, the arrow is going the correct way. There are 3 of these, and they are 40 millimeters apart. Direction 2 is based off of this line. The arrow is going the wrong way, so I want to flip it, and there are 2 of them, and they are 50 millimeters apart. I'll go ahead and say OK to that, and now I can extrude. So I'm going to go ahead and finish my sketch, extrude this profile, cutting all, and say OK. And once you have that, you can go ahead and save this exercise. Again, this is P2-4.